You're going to get all kinds of compliments. Maybe, no leaf down there. I don't want a leaf down there. So we're just about done, but I want to show you another thing that I like to do with this tiny brush. We can make you hold your brush straight up and down. Hold your brush straight up and down, and you're going to make a circle straight up and down. Don't press down, because if you press down, you're going to lose that line. And you can go back over it. But there are tendrils that are really pretty. Tendrils and vines, on vines especially. Here's how this one looks. You can see the tendril. And if you're really afraid you're gonna ruin your painting, I would practice. All you have to do is practice. As a matter of fact, you can practice every flower before you put it on if you're that nervous. Practice on paper or canvas or whatever you have. And now I'm just putting in those points, the end of the leaves. I tend to be a perfectionist about things. I want them to look a certain way. And then I'm just going to add a little shading to the leaves and we'll be done. I'm actually going to mix a little bit of pink with the green and white. And you imagine a stem's going down the center of your leaf, and you pull away from that stem and then bring your brush down. So you come down and around. And on the little ones, you can just put a highlight on there. Okay, so just a little highlight on each leaf. And if you take a look at it later and you think you need more highlights, absolutely go back in, even if it's dried, and add them in. I forgot a little stem there. That'll never do. Then you can just take a little dark line down the center of your leaves for that center seam on the leaf. Okay, here it is. Get ready for lots of compliments if you wear this. You can use any color you want. You should let it dry for 24 hours. And if you wash it inside out. Gentle, no dry. I wouldn't put them in the dryer. And it's a real statement piece. It's a fashion statement. So if you like my channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you real soon. Thank you for joining me. Okay, bye.